Hello folks, Jay Austin from Woodworking Blues, coming at you from the workshop again, trying to make up for my last bummer of a video where I said I feel like a loser. Still kind of there, but getting better. For the few of you who saw my last video, you saw I hadn't even finished my my insulation project in my workshop. Well, I finished it today. Hunkered down, put a few things aside that I probably shouldn't have put aside, but I did anyway, and I got it done. Still have a little ways to go, but I'm much farther ahead than I was. Feeling good about it, feeling real good about it. So yeah, still have a lot of disorganization going on. Most of the crap I have in here is outside in the yard. Hopefully it won't rain. No rain in the forecast, so I should be all right. But at least I got this step done. So I said if I would get things done, I would post more videos, and this has motivated me to do so. So here it is. Most of it insulated, at least what I wanted. I'm not sure what I'm going to do up here. I may close in this ceiling. I may insulate it off. I don't know. But I'm much farther along than I was before the last video, and I'm feeling good about it. So, good video this time, positive video this time. I'm going to try and keep it going. Let me know if you like. Please hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe. I need the subscribers. And please comment if you feel like it. I'm thick-skinned. I can handle anything you got to say. Till then, Jay Allison from Woodworking Blues. Keep on woodworking.